Project management certifications demonstrate your commitment to the profession. They symbolize that you have mastered recognized standards and methodologies. This video will explain what these certifications offer, why they matter, and how they can benefit you. What certifications represent? A project management certification signals that the holder possesses the knowledge, skills, and experience needed to lead projects. It gives employers confidence that you can add immediate value to their organization. It also aligns you with global standards recognized across industries and countries. Why they matter to employers. Employers increasingly prefer certified professionals because certification demonstrates consistent methodology and reduced risk. Certified project managers often command higher salaries and better roles than non-certified peers. Such credentials can also open doors to international opportunities and career mobility. Why they matter to you. For you personally, certification improves your credibility and distinguishes you in a competitive market. It encourages continuous learning and keeps you current with leading practices. It enhances your chances of promotion, career transition, or higher compensation. Choosing the right certification. Select a certification aligned with your career stage and goals. Ensure the credential is recognized in your region or industry of interest. Evaluate the investment of time, cost, and preparation against the expected benefits. Conclusion. In summary, project management certifications provide measurable value for both individuals and organizations. They enhance professional standing, support career growth, and signal competence to employers. If you're serious about growing your project management career, investing in a certification is a strategic move.